Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into your American Express account. To access your American Express account, open your web browser. I'm using Google, and go to the American Express website. Type down American Express.com in the search bar. It will take you to the official website of American Express. Once the site opens up, you can see a login button on the top right hand. Click on the login button. It will take you to the login page. Here, enter your user ID and password. In the account type, click on the drop-down arrow and choose what is your account type. If you want to stay logged in, put on the check mark in the checkbox before Remember Me. Once you are done, click on the login button to get access to your American Express account. And in case if you have forgotten your login credentials, you can click on Forgot User ID or Password and follow the prompts to reset your user ID or password. And if you want to create a new online account, you can click on the link Create New Online Account. If you are still experiencing problems with login or accessing your American Express account, you can contact the American Express customer service team for further assistance. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you guys in the next video.